Number 1.
1984 Chevrolet C10, price $7,500, shows approximately 85,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission, offering a smooth and classic driving experience. It features a striking orange exterior matched with a clean black interior. Under the hood, it carries a reliable 350 motor paired with an automatic transmission. The truck currently runs and drives, but because it has been sitting for a while, it would benefit from a thorough tune-up to bring it back to its best performance. It stands as a solid foundation for someone looking for a functional classic truck with plenty of potential. The owner also holds a clean and clear title in hand, adding confidence and ease to the purchase process.
Number 2.
1976 Ford F100, price $8,500, equipped with a 302 engine paired with a C4 automatic transmission that was rebuilt by the previous owner, along with a new steering column. It also features a new aluminum radiator and a water pump that was replaced within the past few years. Many of the electrical components have been updated, and most of the ignition system has already been thoroughly gone through. The truck is fitted with headers and Flowmaster mufflers, providing a dual exhaust setup. The odometer was functioning when he purchased the truck at 50,000 miles, and it now shows 93,000 miles, as he currently daily drives at roughly 30 miles one way on Highway 75. It runs and drives well, though it does have an oil leak coming from the rear main seal. At the moment, it has a temporary wire running from the ignition coil to the key switch that will need to be replaced.
Number 3.
1974 Chevrolet 2500, price $8,400, comes with an automatic transmission, a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, and runs on gasoline. It is powered by a strong 454 V8 engine, and the truck drives exceptionally well with a smooth, tight-running motor. It is a two-owner truck, and in the late 1980s the previous owner fully refreshed it using OEM parts, giving it an 80s-style facelift along with a professionally updated interior. The truck remained with the original owner from 1974 until 2018 and still includes the original Small Texas title from '74. Recent work includes a completely new fuel system, all new brakes, a fresh tune-up, and a new battery.
The tires look new but have some weather cracking.
The interior is in clean original condition with power windows, power locks, the OEM radio, and OEM AC. The AC functions but has a slow leak.
Number 4.
1993 Ford F150, price $4,000. It has approximately 175,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior paired with a gray interior, and it runs on gasoline. Powered by a 5.8L 351 engine, the truck includes rust-proof undercoating and a military-grade bedliner. A recent compression test, supported with paperwork, confirms that the engine remains strong, the interior is in good condition, and the truck is fitted with a true dual exhaust system.
The tires have just under 10,000 miles of use.
It currently needs a rear axle rebuild, or at minimum new bearings. Although it can still be driven, the rear end growls. The owner drove it home from the dealership and it has been sitting since then.
As it became a personal project, they no longer wish to continue. Aside from the rear axle issue, everything else functions as it should.
It has a fresh carrier bearing, new U-joints on the driveshaft, recently changed rear axle fluid, and the entire front end has already been rebuilt.
Number 5.
1994 GMC Sierra, price $6,800, features an automatic transmission paired with a gasoline-powered 5.7-liter engine that has been recently rebuilt, giving it stronger reliability and smoother performance. Finished in a clean gray exterior with a matching blue interior, the truck maintains a classic look while offering a comfortable cabin. It sits on tires that are still about 90% in good condition, providing confident road grip for daily driving. The Sierra's SC system is functioning properly, contributing to a pleasant driving experience in any weather. Although it has a few minor cosmetic imperfections, none of them affect its overall performance. The truck runs and drives well, making it a dependable option for anyone looking for a solid, well-maintained classic pickup.
Number 6.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,800. This truck is a regular cab stepside model equipped with a V6 engine and an automatic transmission, delivering smooth and reliable performance. With 127,000 miles on the odometer, it has been well maintained and continues to run and drive excellently. The truck features a blue exterior paired with a clean gray interior, and it operates on gasoline. While the clear coat on the exterior is beginning to peel, the body remains presentable, and the truck sits on a solid set of great tires. All electrical and mechanical components are fully functional, making it a dependable choice for everyday use. As a 2WD pickup that's ready to be daily driven, it offers a practical combination of classic styling, strong drivability, and overall reliability.
Number 7.
1988 Ford F350, price $6,500, equipped with a 7.3L non-turbo diesel engine and a manual transmission, offering the classic heavy-duty performance these trucks are known for. Showing approximately 65,000 miles, it features a striking red exterior paired with a matching red interior, both of which present well for its age. The truck runs and drives, though it currently experiences an issue with the fuel bleeding off, which the next owner may want to address. Inside, the cabin has been well maintained, retaining much of its original condition. It also comes with a solid set of great tires, making it a strong foundation for anyone looking for a durable, vintage diesel workhorse with plenty of potential.
Number 8.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000, shows 83,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, combining reliability with smooth driving performance. The truck features a striking black exterior that contrasts nicely with its clean blue interior, giving it a classic yet well-kept appearance. Under the hood, it houses a 383 engine paired with a built 700R4 transmission that includes Corvette servos and a Stage 3 BM shift kit, providing stronger shifts and enhanced drivability. According to the owner, the truck runs and drives exceptionally well with zero mechanical issues, making it ready for immediate use. It is also offered with a clean title, adding peace of mind for the next owner.
Number 9.
1994 Ford Ranger, price $3,000, finished in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, shows approximately 260,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Despite the higher mileage, the truck performs reliably. The 4.0L V6 engine starts easily, idles smoothly, and delivers consistent performance, while the transmission shifts cleanly through all gears. It does have a minor valve cover gasket leak, but the leak is minimal and considered a straightforward repair that the owner intends to complete in the near future. Currently used as a daily driver, the mileage will continue to rise gradually as it remains in regular operation. The body is overall solid, and some exterior bodywork may also be addressed in the future to further improve the truck's condition.
Number 10.
1974 Ford F250, price $9,000, presented as a solid classic truck with minor dents and scratches consistent with its age, still wearing its old original paint but retaining a strong body and chassis. The owner reports that the truck has had a rebuilt carburetor and an engine that was overhauled within the past few years, contributing to its dependable performance. It recently received a transmission filter replacement in full flush, along with a fresh oil change. A new battery has also been installed. The steering column shifter has been replaced, and the bench seat back cover has been updated to improve the interior's condition. The truck shows approximately 81,000 miles and comes with current tags and up-to-date registration, making it ready for the road.